Okay, so this is normal wear and tear for these cars. They're aging pretty badly with all these plastic components. These switches sometimes pop off or break over time, like this switch here, like it's fucked up. Sometimes I have to press it down just to get it to go down. So we're gonna replace this, and they're pretty inexpensive. I have one here. So this is my replacement one. It's pretty cheap. Now this is pretty easy to do. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you have one of these that have little bits in them, these are probably going to be the best to use. You're going to want to ply the back of this panel off, and you can't get the right angle if it's too long because it hits against the back. So if you have one of these little bits or something short, or even like a little card or something, you take the little bit off and you just wedge it right in there. Ply it off, you bring it upwards, and it should come off fairly easy. It shouldn't give you too many problems. So once the back is off, this should pop right up. And then you're left with this thing hanging on the clip. The side of a clip, you just push it in. Should come right off. So you're left with the module. The only thing you got to do is take the Phillips screwdriver on both sides. So here we take our new one. Alright, so it's nice and tight. Got 3 Phillips in the back, and now we're just going to clip it right back on. Hard to clip. Put it right back. Let's see how the new one works. See, we're back in business. So we get this in nice and flush all the way around, and we just set the back and these little grooves on top. This is the top side. So we're going to go in with the bottom first. We're just going to slide it right in.